If a girl try that, that flow there,
Yeah.
come back with it.
I feel like Beenie Man can fuck up a Riddim. Me know say Buju a go mash up it. Me know that. Before Buju go culture, Buju I did one of the baddest dancehall artists, bro.
That's true.
Before Buju go culture, So, just imagine a man will have the ability to switch.
When Buju did just come back from prison, Buju did switch to a flow completely different when nobody never hear.
And that may I show you versatility, bro.
Yeah, me know. May I say him did switch to that flow where we did rate. Nobody never hear that kind of flow from Buju. But now, when I see Buju going, did not like that, bro.
Hey, dog, listen this.
I be a righteousness
see,
man.
No, listen now. You see Buju influence Vybz Kartel, you know?
Me know that.
Me know say Buju have a techie. Buju have to end up in a top 3 for me. See? And the reason why he's going to end up in the top 3, bro, Buju is a storyteller, and Buju know how to switch in flow, and Buju know music. None of them young artists don't know music.